Hey, J-Bros popping in. Yeah, beautiful day today. It was pretty nice yesterday. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten this area out. I think my dad's coming tomorrow and we're gonna try to get the rest of this steel done, but I want to get this flattened out so it can dry out a little bit more. And yeah, been pretty busy, I guess. You know, the weather's been kind of windy or super cold, but hopefully we're on the tail end of the bad weather. And then I did have a couple guys swing by. I had a couple 4-in-1 buckets for sale. Super nice gentlemen. Yeah, so we ended up selling a couple 4-in-1 buckets, so that was kind of cool. They kind of knew stuff about the channel a little bit, so that was kind of cool and interesting. But I'm gonna get on the mini skid here and flatten this stuff out. There, now my dad won't chew me out so bad. That should be able to dry out tonight and tomorrow, and hopefully we'll finish that end over there and then get the rest of this up and be able to store some stuff. I had a couple more things I need to move around here today and should be pretty good. I put too much P-rock down here. I'm going to take and drag some of that back. I might either put some of that crushed rock there, or I might get a load of more of that crushed asphalt because I had pretty good luck with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this peeled back. I don't know about you guys, but there's always something soothing about flattening out your stuff in the spring, because it seems to dry out better and it looks so messy and dirty for however long. But yeah, I should be good good till tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Yeah, we're ready for summer. Just stepping back in here. Obviously I flattened this out. This is the day after this all dried out really decent. We did knock out this steel here right away. We're still leaving the bottom open so we can get some crosswind to go through there, so we don't have to worry about it blowing away. we're gonna hopefully get lucky, move the scissor lift over to here and start down on that end, and hopefully we just don't sink in too bad. And if we can get over there, we're gonna start down there and do the top 3 sheets all the way down. And that way, if Dad is not able to be around or whatever, me and the boys can knock out this other side pretty easy. But we're hoping we don't have to battle too long with getting stuck, but one way or another, we're gonna get over here. So but I figured I'd show you what that looks like here. Pretty pleased. You know, don't look too close because obviously I'm not on level ground, so there's some waves and stuff like that. But main thing is it's getting the stuff out of the elements, and I think we're achieving that. But I think it's looking pretty good. There we go. I'm gonna jump back in here. Yeah, this is going real smooth. I'll walk you up the ladder here. Yeah, it's all sturdying up really nice. Just show you kind of the pattern up here. See what we're dealing with right there. So having the lift here is obviously pretty sweet, but we're coming along. We got this edge here, just these 2 left there. We're kind of taking a mini break here, but going way faster than we had anticipated, because I mean we literally blasted that section out there about half hour, and this here in about another hour. Unfortunately, like I had mentioned, we had flattened this stuff out, and we should be able just to get right out of here no problem. So I'm super pleased. See right there, there's the man, the myth, the legend. He's the one that gets all the energy on this job site. Well, there we go. Dad and I were pretty pleased with where we got to today. Obviously could have did more, but it's supposed to be terrible weather again basically for the next 7 days here, so we kind of strapped it down. Not saying it's going to go anywhere, but yeah, we were super pleased. Just because I wanted to get you those measurements that I remembered to tell you that this thing was not 20 feet wide. I'll show you from the side view, or excuse me, the front view. So this is the angle I decided to go with, this slight pitch there. It seemed like it was the max, and you can kind of see what straight up and down looks next to the shop. It's actually 18 feet wide. So I don't know if that changes anybody's mind or anything. Maybe you're supposed to flex it out more. I don't know why you would, because it seemed like when if you were to flex it out further, then it was losing some support across the roof up there. So when we pulled it in, it cinched those up and whatnot. Anyway, yeah, overall pretty darn pleased with this. We're all set up, ready to go. I just put those straps from the scissor lift to that just as precautionary, because we're probably going to do this steel on the side next, and I'm for sure going to put a wall enclosure on the back, so that'll be a solid wall. I'm not certain what I'm going to do on the front here yet, but that's where we're at. Like I said, it went super easy. Yeah, thankfully we had the scissor lift, and that just made it way easier. But we were pleased. We knocked her out. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. J Bros out.